If you had invested $1,000 in Tesla stock in 2012, you'd have over $200,000 today. That's the kind of sentence that makes you want to scream, "Why didn't I do that?" But here's the thing, 2025 is full of new opportunities. Right now, you have $1,000 in your bank account, or maybe in your sock drawer, we don't judge. The big question is, how do you turn that small stack of cash into something truly life-changing? Step 1. Change your money mindset. Wealth isn't built overnight unless you win the lottery, which statistically won't happen. Instead of chasing the next crypto moonshot or meme stock, let's focus on smart, calculated moves that actually work. The key is to think like an investor, not just a spender. Your $1,000 isn't just money. It's a seed that can grow into something much bigger, but only if you plant it wisely. Step 2. Stocks. The slow and steady money machine. One of the best ways to grow your money over time is the stock market. Imagine you had a time machine and could go back to the early days of Apple, Amazon, or Google. You'd throw every dollar you had into those companies, right? While we can't time travel yet, we can invest in the next big winners. AI and tech stocks like Nvidia, Microsoft, and Google are leading the revolution. These companies aren't going anywhere. If picking individual stocks makes you break out in a sweat, ETFs like the S&P 500 let you invest in 500 of the biggest U.S. companies in one shot. Simple, effective, and used by Warren Buffett himself. Some ETFs even focus on specific sectors like tech, healthcare, or green energy, giving you more control over where your money goes. But here's the thing, stocks take time. What if you don't want to wait 10 years? What if you want to grow your money faster? Step 3. Side hustles. Make your money work over time. A side hustle is like a second job, except you're the boss. In 2025, there are more ways than ever to make money online and offline. Let's talk about some of the best ways to turn $1,000 into steady cash flow. First is flipping products for profit. Ever heard of Gary Vaynerchuk? He built a business flipping garage sale finds on eBay. With $1,000, you can buy trending items, sneakers, vintage clothes, collectibles, and flip them for 2 to 5x profit. Some of the best places to find undervalued items: Facebook Marketplace, thrift stores, and estate sales. Next, you can create content on TikTok, YouTube, and social media. You don't need to be famous to make money. Create short, engaging content on finance, gaming, fitness, or anything people love. Brands pay for ads and platforms share revenue. If you go viral, one video alone could earn you thousands of dollars. Third, selling digital products. Ebooks, courses, templates. People are willing to pay for knowledge and convenience. Spend a weekend creating a resume template, budgeting spreadsheet, or a guide on how to invest and sell it for passive income. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify make it easy to start. But what if I told you there's an even faster way to grow your money? Enter crypto and NFTs. Step 4. Crypto and NFTs. High risk, high reward. Now, before you roll your eyes, hear me out. While 99% of meme coins are junk, Bitcoin and Ethereum are still going strong. If you're okay with risk, putting 20% of your $1,000 into crypto could lead to massive gains. Some strategies include Bitcoin and Ethereum, the blue chips of crypto, less risky than smaller altcoins. Staking. Earn interest just for holding crypto. It's like a savings account, but with higher returns. Avoiding hype coins. If you hear about a new crypto from your Uber driver or barista, it's probably too late. Warning, crypto is volatile. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. But for those who do their research, the rewards can be huge. Step 5. Build something that pays you forever. If you truly want to turn $1,000 into real wealth, you need something that keeps making you money without your constant effort. For example, investing in real estate without millions, you might think real estate is only for the rich. But RATs, real estate investment trusts, let you invest in properties with just a few $100s. These trusts own buildings, malls, apartments, and pay dividends just for holding shares. Also, you can automate an online business. Blogs, digital products, and YouTube channels can keep making you money long after you set them up. The secret? Evergreen content. Write or create something once, and it can generate income for years. If you are conservative, you can go for high-yield savings and bonds. If you want something ultra-safe, high-yield savings accounts and government bonds offer 5% plus interest rates. While this won't make you rich overnight, it's a great place to store cash while earning guaranteed returns. Step 6. The $1,000 challenge. Turning small steps into big wealth. Here's the deal. Wealth isn't built overnight, but it is built consistently. The key to turning $1,000 into real wealth isn't just about choosing the right investments. It's about staying consistent, reinvesting profits, and thinking long-term. Your next steps. Pick 1 or 2 strategies that excite you the most. Take action. Don't just watch this video and forget. Stay patient, reinvest profits, and watch your wealth grow. But wait, growing sustainable wealth is difficult if you don't know how to save. Click this video to learn 5 budget-friendly saving hacks. See you there.